When customers ask me, how did it go in Saudi? I would say, I've never worked so hard in my life. We were doing 300 to 400 people a night from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. By the end of the shift, I was exhausted. So was everyone else. But there were a few tiny slivers of time where we were able to do something that had nothing to do with food. This is what this episode is all about.
I saw a camel, I thought, on down.
Yeah. Come.
Let's drive down and then drive back.
Huh? Yeah. But we need camel. Coming.
I swear I saw a camel. Or
Small horse.
Horses and donkeys.
wishful thinking.
Aww.
This guy's fighting.
Wow, they're fighting.
No.
Oh, they're playing. They're playing.
Well, it was worth a try.
Yeah. Then maybe we can go early in the morning one time.
Do you want to go tomorrow morning?
Yeah, maybe we should.
Do I need to wear my...
Yeah,
Are you really?
let's do it.
Horse.
Oh, so beautiful.
Well, I'm seeing what he's doing. Should I be on the big white? I'll be on the white one.
The white one. Di pa nga yan.
And it works? Be on the little white one. We are going later to the Al Zal Souk, which is the oldest, I guess, open air, oldest market in Riyadh.
We're all going together. This is the first and last field trip together because we have no time to do anything but work. It's the first time and we're just running there 1 hour and coming right back because we got to start cooking. Wow, cool. Yeah, I'm glad I came. Look how beautiful that is, how they're all sitting there like this. Oh, he didn't like it. No. Wow, king. You're the king in this. Oh, no, 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 no.
You have to.
No, 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 no. Look at this. Oh my. You look like Julius Caesar, really. Oh, wow. Now you're deadly.
That guy was intense.
Yeah, what did he say? I love Saddam Hussein?
No, he said, where are you from? And Emilio said, Los Angeles. He's like, oh, you guys destroyed my country. I'm from where Saddam Hussein is.
No way.
That's what
You guys destroyed my country? That's what it said? Oh my gosh. What'd you say? I'm sorry?
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I said, thank having us here.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Here.
Wait, did you see there was Saddam Hussein money? You see that?
Yeah.